My name is Mimsy Weathergrass and I'm a model for the Free People clothing line. People like to ask me, Mimsy, what's it like being a model for the Free People clothing line? To which I reply, whimsical. I enjoy modelling for Free People because it allows me to do all of my favourite things whilst I work, like lying in a field and blowing on a dandelion, or standing on a hilltop whilst contemplating carousels, or simply gazing as if I'm about to ask a question. Like that.
More whimsical? Okay.
I've tried modelling for other products before, but none of them seem to fit as nicely as Free People. To inspire me in my work, I like to keep a diary in which I list all things that I find whimsical. Number 1, being whimsical. Number 2, dandelions, when you say it like dandelions. Tiny rocking horses. Jewellery boxes that contain fairy wings, dancing in slow motion surrounded by sparkles. I love nature.
But who ever kisses the mistletoe?
I live in a tiny cottage in the redwood forest with my cat Whimsy, a bunny rabbit named Windchimes, and 7 birds named Pegasus. People often ask me, Mimsy, wherever are you from? To which I like to reply, a faraway kingdom, and I travelled here on a magical Nordic ship over a sea of sparkling clouds and harpsichords, when in reality I'm from southern Jersey.
We think that maybe her Uncle Jake might have.
We are just happy that she has a job now.
And then people say, Mimsy, why ever do you speak like that if you're from southern Jersey? To which I reply, accents are like birthday cards. They mean more when you make them yourself.
Time and trees, they...
God damn it!